Hello everyone, welcome to computer class. Today, let us start the new chapter, lesson number 3 from your textbook, that is word processor tabular presentation. Sometime we need to represent data in a form of tables, means in a form of tabular form. Tabular form means what? Tabular form means it is a grid of rows and columns. Grid in the sense combination of rows and columns, we will call it as a table. Look at the table. Combination of rows and columns will form a rectangular boxes. So many boxes. The small box we will call it as a cell. And the boundary marked around the cell, around the table is called as a grid line. This is column. Column means the information represented vertically is called columns. And also the information represented horizontally is called rows. You can use the tables for so many purposes, to insert the text, to insert the picture, and also you can use the another table inside a one table. Next is about creating tables in MS Word. You know that MS Word will provide a feature to develop or to create a table. What is the meaning of table? You know that table is a grid of rows and columns, means combination of rows and columns. Before going to create a table, first we need to set the cursor position in your MS Word document. How to create a table? Step 1. Place the cursor on the document where you are going to insert a table. There you have to set the cursor position. Step 2. Click the insert button. That insert button will be available on the menu bar. Look at this. Here, insert button. You have to click the insert button. Step 3. Select table and then insert table from the drop down list. After selecting the insert button, you have to select table and then you will get one drop down menu. In that drop down menu, you have to select insert table option. After selecting the insert table option, you will get the insert table extra window. In that, you have to enter the number of columns and number of rows you want. Look at this window. This is insert table window. In this window, you have to enter the number of columns you want and also number of rows you want. Finally, click OK. Based on the number of columns and rows you have entered, based on that, you will get the table like this. Next is about adding different styles. You can change the style of the table in the sense cell boundary, text style, like that you can change the style of the table. How to change the style? Step 1. Select the table. Select the table in the sense you have to select the created table. Step 2. Click the design button. Where the design button will be? Design button will be present in a table tool option. Look at this picture. You will get to know how to select the design button. Step 3. Select the required style. You will get to know down of the design button you will get so many table styles. You can select any one of this table style. Next, the table will be changed on the basis of your selection. It will change the style of the table. Next is about editing tables in a MS Word. You know that MS Word will provide the basic feature to develop a table. Same as it is. What is the meaning of editing? Editing in the sense modifying or rectifying a table as per our need. In MS Word, we can perform variety of tasks on a table. Some of the major tasks are: first one, inserting rows and columns. Second one, deleting rows and columns. Third one, changing row height in a table. Fourth one, changing column width in a table. First one is about inserting rows and columns. If we need to add a row or a column to an existing table, we need to perform some of the tasks. Step 1. Set the cursor position. Cursor position in the sense we need to set the cursor position in a created table. Means in a cell where you want to insert a extra row or extra column. Step 2. Click the layout button. Where the layout button will be? Layout button will be present in a table tool option. Step 3. Click an appropriate option. Appropriate option in the sense insert below or insert above for rows. Why below and above? Why? Because rows are the horizontal lines. So we have to select insert below or insert above. If it is for the column means we have to select insert left and insert right. Based on that you can select. Why insert left and insert right? Because columns are the vertical lines in a table. Look at the picture, you will get to know. For the rows we have to select insert below or insert above. For the column we have to select insert left and insert right. Next is about deleting rows or columns. You can delete either a row or number of rows or a column or a number of columns based on your choice in an existing table. Some of the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Select row or rows or column or columns that is to be deleted. You have to select like this. Here I have selected the one column. Full column I have selected. I am going to delete this full column. Step 2. Click the layout button. Where the layout button will be? Layout button will be present in a table tool. Step 3. Select delete and then select delete rows for row and delete column for columns. Look at this picture, you will get to know. Step 3, you have to click on layout, then you have to click delete button. In that, if you are going to delete rows means you have to select delete row, or else if you are going to delete columns means you have to select column option. Then the selected row or a selected column will be deleted based on your choice. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.